Insta360 sent me their new X4 underwater camera, and this is what I shot. I took it for a dive along Grand Cayman's north wall, where the bottom drops off 6,000 feet. The Insta360 X4 captured everything in 8K stunning 360. Mega Mode really helped smooth out the vertical distortion, which made the depth look incredible. I'll admit, I did make one mistake. I didn't mount the case vertically so you can see the invisible selfie stick in the shot. Lesson learned. For my next shoot, I went to Stingray City, and this time I got it right. The stick is completely invisible, making for a perfect 360-degree shot while I filmed the behind the scenes of one of my underwater model photo shoots. I used 8K, and despite what some say about 5.7K in low light, 8K was perfect for the clear blue waters of the Cayman Islands. For settings, I recommend 8K 30 frames per second, Mega Mode, standard or flat color profile, and auto white balance. The Insta360 X4 performed like a dream. Ready to capture your adventure? Click the link below for camera discounts and free accessories.